Yo,
I'm Luigi Neri.
yo,
I'm Luigi Neri.
yo.
I'm Luigi. I'm Luigi. I'm Luigi. I'm Luigi. I'm Luigi Neri. I'm Luigi.
Kobe, 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 Kobe.
Sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I am feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say,
Will I choose water over wine and water over wine? Choose water over wine. Choose water over wine and hold my own and dry.
Okay, we stop.
ask the girl what she wanted to be.
For our next trick, we're gonna demonstrate the Avogadro's law, which basically says if you increase the number of moles, you increase the pressure and the volume. So what I have is a bottle with a small hole on the side and a balloon inside. What this trick, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna blow and then you're gonna cover the hole. When you blow, it's not gonna inflate. And then when you let go, because you can increase the volume and then you're letting out the pressure, it'll inflate. And then for the magic trick part, what you do is you pretend like you cover the hole and you pretend like you can't blow it up, which you really can't. And then what will happen is you let the kids blow, and they're not gonna see the hole because you just use like a nail or a screwdriver, and then you let them blow. They're gonna be able to blow it up, but you can't. So it'll make you look funny. Yeah. So basically, this shows you you increase the number of moles, you increase the pressure, you increase the volume. Yeah.
Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules. So for a given mass of ideal gas, the volume and amount of moles of the gas are directly proportional if the temperature and pressure are constant. So if the volume increases, so do the amount of moles. If the volume decreases, the amount of moles also decrease, assuming that the temperature and pressure remain constant. Avogadro is not the same as an avocado, so do not get the two confused. Wouldn't that be funny to confuse Amedeo Avogadro as an avocado, which is a fruit, while Avogadro is a human being? That would be silly. As for the water into wine experiment, aka Project Jesus, the color changing of the water is due to photons and the amount of light allowed to be absorbed by the molecules of the phenolphthalein. The more or less energy it is allowed to take in will determine the color change. In this case, water, which has a neutral pH level, and sodium carbonate, which has a basic pH level, created a solution that was closer to the acidic side, making the color red. So how does Avogadro and his law directly correlate to the experiments we have just done? The secret is inside Avogadro. Not inside an avocado, but inside Avogadro himself. See, Avogadro thought of, in his mind, that the mole number, or otherwise known today as Avogadro's number, is 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23, otherwise known as Avogadro's number. Could Avogadro's correlation with chemicals, and the chemicals being involved in the experiment we've just performed, relating to Jesus' water into wine experiment, confirm that Avogadro is in fact, as we have believed, a part of the Illuminati, as many ancient astronaut theorists suggest? Could it be that all these clues have been leading up to one solution after all? All this evidence is in fact evidence to the fact that Avogadro may be, possibly, Illuminati. Yet it would lead some people to wonder why he's not an avocado, but Illuminati. Now that is a question that is yet to be answered. Questions like, why does Avogadro's face look like an avocado? Why is it shaped like an avocado? And most sinister of all, why does his face and his eyes resemble the seed of an avocado? Why?